Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually, it is quite easy. All you have to do is simply open the recents, and you can do it in two different ways. It depends if you've got the navigation bar just like me, or if you've got the gestures. If you've got the gestures, you have to swipe your finger up very gently and hold it somewhere here, and the recents will appear. If you've got the navigation bar, just tap on this three bars icon, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of previously opened apps. If you'd like to close only one of it, all you have to do is simply swipe it up just like that. It's quite easy, but you can close all of them with only one click. Just tap on close all. As you can see, we just got back to our homepage, so let's enter the recents to check. And here we've got no recently used apps, so it means that we just successfully closed all of them. So actually that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.